welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nessa Ray period, and I'm back with another video. As y'all can see from today's title, you guys, I will be installing this 4x4 closure, which is from a company called Vivi Baby. I will be doing a voiceover for this install, y'all, because there was a lot going on in this install. But y'all, if y'all want to see how I achieved this look with some nice pretty curls for the girls, then keep on watching, y'all.
Okay, y'all, so this video is brought to you by Vivi Baby. They just sent a wig cap, and then this is a 22-inch 4x4 lace closure. This wig can also be worn glueless because you see it got that adjustable strap in the back, and this was actually pre-plucked. I don't know if this is transparent lace or not, but I'm gonna leave everything in the description box down below. Right here I did my ball cap off camera because I find it super easier to do, but if y'all want me to do a ball cap method, just let me know. And then I'm showing y'all the ghost bond glue that I'm using, and then I'm just putting my wig on to see what part of my hair I need to glue down. Y'all, I was going to install a different wig, so don't come for me for the whole ball cap, y'all. I know you don't have to put on a whole ball cap for a 4x4 lace closure wig, y'all, but you know, I didn't feel like ripping it up, so I just put on this wig. So right here I'm just brushing down the wig to see more of what I'm doing, clipping it back so I can see more of what I'm doing. Like, if y'all is a visual person, y'all won't understand what I'm doing, because y'all know I'm Jamaican, so I don't really know how to talk like that, so it's hard for me to explain stuff. But if you're a visual person, you can watch and see like everything that I'm doing right here, y'all. So right here I'm just gonna use some makeup and put it on the lace so that's like blending it out more. And recently, y'all, I've been seeing on TikTok that you're not supposed to put makeup on your lace because it's not gonna make your wigs like last long. But I literally change my wigs like every 2 days now, so it really don't matter to me. But yeah, I just did that, and then I'm clipping it back again, and I'm gonna use 3 layers of the ghost bond glue. This dried super fast because I had my blow dryer blowing upwards on me. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I'm gonna put 3 layers of this on my head, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cut the tabs off, like the little tabs on the sides. Y'all don't mind me, I was talking to my baby daddy. He was annoying me, but yeah. Okay, y'all, so now that I cut the tabs off, I'm just gonna go in with my spritz, and then I'm gonna spray it on my lace, and then I'm gonna go ahead and tie that down for like a couple minutes, like 5 to 10 15 minutes, you know, like not a long time. I basically tie it down, do everything else that I have to do, like part my wig out to the middle part, and then I'll take it off. But yeah, after this, I'm gonna part my wig out to the part that I desire, and then I'm gonna also blow dry the hair too, so y'all gonna see that. Y'all, this yellow word that I'm using, this is the blow dryer they use in Jamaica. Let me tell y'all something, it's 10 out of 10. I recommend this blow dryer. I got it from Amazon, so y'all should definitely go check it out. It is fire. Y'all, right here I'm using my Shiso Balm wax stick. I found this on TikTok, and let me tell y'all something. Ever since I started using this, it's such a big difference in my install. Like, it smells so good for one, and for two, it's just gonna hold everything and it's not gonna look heavy on the hair or nothing like that. But yeah, I like to comb it out a little bit and get it like throughout the hair before I go in with my hot comb, because I'm gonna go in with my hot comb after this part. And then I'm just gonna let that baby get flatter. Y'all, use your hot comb. Don't be afraid to use your hot comb. Let that baby flat. Okay, because the thing about girls and like beginners is they just like put their hair in a bun and just keep it pushing. But if you don't put your hair in a bun the right way, you're not gonna get that flat effect that y'all want. But y'all also can braid it down. Like, just braid your hair down or get somebody to braid it down for you super flat, like in about 10 braids, and then y'all gonna get the result that y'all want. But y'all, don't be afraid to use that hot comb. I go in and in and in with my hot comb. I don't play no games. Yeah, period. Okay, y'all, so right here I'm still using my hot comb, y'all. Like, when I tell y'all, I go over and over and over and over with my hot comb just to get it as flat as possible. That's what I mean. So I'm just doing that right here continuously, and then I'm gonna take my band off. And as y'all can see, y'all look at this hair like in its natural state, barely any product except the wax stick, and period. Look how melted that is already, you guys. Like, I didn't put a lot of makeup on the front, but you can see how melted it is on the parts I didn't put makeup. Now, y'all, I'm just cutting it down in half, and then I'm gonna go in with my eyebrow razor and cut off those little tabs and stuff, and then I'm gonna put some more makeup on it right there so it can be a little more melted. And also I'm gonna tie my band around it again with some Got2b spray. Y'all, the last clip where I put the banner on it, I don't know where the hell it's at, but right here I went off camera to do my baby hairs because I struggle with my baby hairs. As y'all can see, one is perfect and then the other one is not, so I have to be like really extremely focused to do that. So right here I'm just trying to like take out a little piece so I can do my borrow curls. And y'all, your girl is gonna struggle so bad with these curls, but I'm taking my Fantasia heat protectant to give it a little silk, and yeah, just make it hold the curl a little bit. Now I just put some spritz on there too. Like, after I did the curls, I put spritz on there so it'll hold it. But yeah, right here my thing was not plugged up, y'all. Like, just dumb. Y'all, watch me struggle.
Okay, y'all, so this is the actual finished product, y'all. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Y'all, I was trying to do like wand curls on camera, but these curls was not curling for nothing. I was struggling so bad. I hope y'all seen it and I ain't like deleted the clips or anything. But thank you guys so much for watching. It is greatly appreciated, and I'll see y'all in my next videos, guys. Bye, y'all.